right, Domino's Pizza just put out their quarterly press release, and it was outstanding. 16% same-store sales. I've never heard numbers like that in an established company. It's just out of this world. You know, if you get a 4 or 5% same-store sales, that's outstanding. Now, there were extreme circumstances, of course. People eating at home, staying home, not going to restaurants, but you know, still wanting to eat out, so you order pizza. I mean, it makes total sense. I get that, but still, 16% is still unprecedented for an established company. It's outstanding. I mean, there's just nothing else you can say. It's outstanding. More importantly, I want you to think of Domino's Pizza as a technology company and not a food pizza company. It is really a technology company. They've taken advantage of every bit of technology you can. So obviously ordering online, that's not a big deal. Lots of people have that, but their system would be more efficient. And of course, what goes along with that is all that promotion stuff too, right? Like you go on Domino's Pizza and then all of a sudden you're on Facebook and you get a craving, and there's literally an ad for pizza right there for you, Domino's, and like, you know, all that kind of stuff. That's kind of standard, but they would have been early, and they would have been really good, and they're excellent. They're also, once you get that order, it goes, you know, right efficiently into processing right away. You know, so it's all just one seamless flow from the order to delivery right to your home. So on our graphic there, you see the delivery car. Those cars themselves are unbelievable. They're like a little Uber, so you can track your pizza over the internet and literally watch it drive through the city. The car has an oven. That back window that you see there, that's actually an oven in the delivery car. I mean, it's just technology through and through. They're going to get into driverless autonomous cars, so delivery, that'll save them even more money. It's outstanding. And it shows up in the financials too. Like, there's no mystery when you see the financials here. So let's take a look at our financial model. And there you see outstanding return on invested capital for virtually the last 20 years. The worst return on capital they produced was 26% return. That was 2009 when there was an economic downturn. In this economic downturn, they're thriving because of the dynamics of staying at home. Still undervalued despite this huge run in the stock, and you can see my stock chart layered in behind our bar chart there of return on capital. It's just powered forward every year. It's actually 27% compounded rate of return for the last 5 years. I wish I had a 10-year rate, because it would probably be in the high teens for 10 years, just year in, year out, compounded on top of each other. But it's not overvalued. It's not. I mean, you can see there's our forecast, which is in line with what they've done in the past, with a big fade built in. And we're getting a $543 stock. It's trading at $405. By the way, it is down about 2% today. It's a tough day on the market. Plus, sometimes, even though you have a good press release, some people will use that as a sell signal. Okay, it's not going to get any better. I don't believe that. I believe that this is just, a standard. Well, it's not a standard quarter. It is better than normal because of the COVID. But this company is so good that I don't care that it's kind of at an all-time high. It's still undervalued. $15 billion market cap. Now that might scare you. I don't know, but Starbucks is $86 billion. McDonald's is $140 billion. I mean, this is just, it is just a fraction of those companies. Now, look, it's different business. I get it, but they still have growth around the world. They have a strong domestic play. They're making inroads in China and Europe and all over the place, and there's a long runway for growth here, and it's super efficient. So I think you got to stick with it. That's Domino's Pizza. DPZ is the actual ticker on New York. Thanks for watching our investment video. If you want to improve your portfolio returns, simply subscribe. Or if you're an investment advisor or retail investor and you want help with your portfolio more directly, we can help you with a managed account and manage each and every trade for you.